Hello students. Now in this lecture we will see the new topic cement. What is cement? How it can be prepared? How it can be prepared? Types of cement, manufacturing of cement, composition of cement and its application. Overall we have been seen in this chapter all these topics. Now we start the chapter cement. The first point is, what is cement? What is cement? Cement is nothing but what? Cement is a binder. Cement is a binder which bind the ground material together. That's why we say a substance that sets and hardens independently and bind other materials together. Such type of fine ground grayish color powder is called as cement. Cement is also commonly known as पोर्टलँड सिमेंट. सिमेंटलाच आपण आपल्या भाषेमध्ये, इंजिनिअरिंगच्या भाषेमध्ये पोर्टलँड सिमेंट असेही म्हणतो, विच इज हॅव्हिंग ग्रेइश कलर पावडर. नाउ लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट. बाइंडिंग मटेरियल. Cement contain which type of binding material? Cement contain lime, cement and mud, or which is also called as sand. Now next point, chemical composition of cement. Chemical composition of cement. What is the chemical composition? In cement we observed lime around 63% present in cement. After that, major quantity is in silica. Silica is present in 22%, alumina 6%, iron oxide 3%, and gypsum 1 to 4%. Now we see the overall mixture. First one is limestone, which include application, composition and preparation of all related to limes. Limestone, which is also called as lime, having chemical formula CaCO3. In this material, 70 to 75% CaCO3 means lime is present. Excess of limestone show down the setting process of cement. जर जास्त प्रमाणात लाईमची जर क्वांटिटी जास्त प्रमाणात झाली तर सेटिंग टाईम जो आहे तो जास्त वाढतो. सेटिंग टाईम सिमेंटचा जास्त वाढतो. CaCO3 or it is also called as lime is present in higher quantity. Now second point, mixture of alumina and silicon dioxide. Mixture of aluminum trioxide and silicon dioxide is called as clay. It's called as clay. Clay is nothing but what? Mixture of aluminum trioxide and silicon dioxide. Clay is present in the proportion of 20 to 25% of total composition. If it excess present in cement, to set down quickly. Try to understand. If the quantity of lime is excess, then setting time should be increased. And if mixture of alumina and silica, which is called as clay, is increased, setting time decreases, means it sets quickly. Next, iron oxide, magnesia, alkenes, etc. The ingredients present in small quantities. These are called as ingredients, which are present in very small quantities, which are also used to control the special properties of cement. Now next, the constituent of cement present in the form of their compounds. Whatever the constituents we observed in previous slide, aluminum trioxide and silicon dioxide, which is called as clay, lime and other small quantity material. Depend on this constituent, there are 4 compounds are present, which are as follows. First one, tricalcium silicate. First one, tricalcium silicate. In bracket we write C3S. C3S, C for calcium and S for silicates. 3 times calcium coming, that's why we write tricalcium silicate. Formula is C3S. If calcium coming 2 times, we write C2S. That S second type is dicalcium silicate. Di, 2 constituents of calcium and 1 constituent of silicates. That's why we write the formula C2S. Now third one is tricalcium aluminate. Tricalcium. Calcium किती वेळा आलेला आहे? 3 वेळा. That's why we write C3 aluminate. Aluminate for formula A. So in bracket we write C3A. Tetracalcium aluminoferrite. Tetra means 4. That's 4 calcium constituents. C4 aluminum A and ferrite for F. C4AF. Small amount of uncombined lime and magnesia also present along with alkalis and minor amount of other elements. Now we see in next slide, calcium trisilicate, calcium disilicate provide strength and offers resistance towards the compound. Then first one is tricalcium silicate. What they have provide? They provide hydration rapidly, provide early and ultimate strength. If we see if the compound of tricalcium silicate is present in higher quantity in cement, then it hydrates rapidly, provide early and ultimate strength. If dicalcium silicate is present in higher quantity, it hydrates slowly, provides strength but after 7 days. जसं आपण पाहतो की काही काही स्लॅब आपण टाकताना 7 दिवसात काढावं लागतात, काही 21 दिवसानंतर काढावं लागतात, ते एका दिवसात ते काढावं लागतात. ते कशावर डिपेंड आहे? त्याच्या हायड्रेशन अँड अल्टिमेट स्ट्रेंथवरती. जर डायकॅल्शियम सिलिकेट सिमेंटमध्ये जास्त असेल तर आपल्याला कमीत कमी 7 दिवस स्लॅब ठेवावा लागतो. व्हॉट अबाउट ट्रायकॅल्शियम ॲल्युमिनेट? इट हायड्रेट्स रॅपिडली, प्रोव्हाइड स्ट्रेंथ इज ऑल्सो, प्रोव्हाइड अर्ली स्ट्रेंथ but strength is less ultimate strength. What about tetracalcium aluminoferrate? Does not provide strength, it is stable, that's why it converted into tricalcium aluminate. Now next slide, types of cement. Types of cement, we see the types of cement. Ordinary, first one is ordinary Portland cement. We see the grayish color powder is called as Portland cement. Common name is cement and chemical name is Portland cement, and that's why we write types of cement. It is nothing but what? Types of Portland cement. The first type, ordinary Portland cement. Second, rapid hardening cement. Rapid hardening cement. It is also called as high early strength cement. ज्याला जो लवकर स्ट्रेंथ पकडतो अशा प्रकारचं सिमेंट. नाउ नेक्स्ट, एक्स्ट्रा रॅपिड हार्डनिंग सिमेंट. जे लवकरात लवकर रॅपिड हार्ड होतं, दॅट इज कॉल्ड एक्स्ट्रा रॅपिड हार्डनिंग सिमेंट. फोर्थ, सल्फेट रेजिस्टिंग सिमेंट. फिफ्थ, क्विक सेटिंग सिमेंट. सिक्स, लो हीटिंग सिमेंट. 7, Portland Pozzolana cement. 8, Portland slag cement. 9, high alumina cement. 10, air entraining cement. Super sulfated cement. Masonry cement. Expansive cement. Colored cement. And last is white cement. All these are the types of cement we have been seen one by one. Now next slide. Next slide is first type, ordinary Portland cement. What is the meaning of ordinary Portland cement, where it can be used? It's seen in this topic. Ordinary Portland cement. It is also called as Portland cement. It is also called as Portland cement because ordinary Portland cement and normal Portland cement or only Portland cement is one of the same. That's why we write first thing it is also called as Portland cement because on hardening its color resembles to rock near Portland in England. म्हणजे काय सांगणे, जे पोर्टलँड सिमेंट आपण वापरतो आणि ज्यावेळेस ते पूर्णपणे सेट होतं, सेट झाल्यानंतर त्याचा जो कलर तयार होतो, तिथे ज्या दगडाचा कलर सिमेंटचा जो दगड तयार होतो, त्या सिमेंटच्या दगडाचा जसा कलर होतो, तो कलर सेम टू सेम इंग्लंडमधील पोर्टलँड ह्या सिटीसारखा असणाऱ्या आढळणाऱ्या तिथल्या स्टोन्स सारखा होतो. दॅट्स वाय वी से ऑर्डिनरी पोर्टलँड सिमेंट. इट वॉज फर्स्ट of all introduced in 1824 by Joseph Dean, belongs to England. Most important type what? It can be classified into 3 grades. असं ऑर्डिनरी पोर्टलँड सिमेंट आपण 3 ग्रेडमध्ये क्लासिफाईड करतो. फर्स्ट वन इज 33 ग्रेड, 33 ग्रेड, सेकंड 43 ग्रेड अँड लास्ट 53 ग्रेड. या तिन्ही टाईपच्या ग्रेडचं सिमेंट तुम्हाला मार्केटमध्ये अवेलेबल भेटेल. 33 ग्रेडचं, 43 ग्रेडचं सुद्धा आणि 53 ग्रेडचं सुद्धा सिमेंट इज अवेलेबल इन दी मार्केट. इट कॅन बी यूज्ड फॉर व्हेरियस टाइप्स. नाउ नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. व्हॉट अबाउट द केमिकल कंपोजिशन? केमिकल कंपोजिशन ऑफ ऑर्डिनरी पोर्टलँड सिमेंट. केमिकल कंपोजिशन ऑफ ऑर्डिनरी पोर्टलँड सिमेंट, सिमेंटचे जे कंपोजिशन असणार आहे तेच ऑर्डिनरी पोर्टलँडचं सिमेंटचं सुद्धा असणार आहे. कारण सिमेंटचं कंपोजिशन म्हणजे सिमेंटलाच आपण ऑर्डिनरी पोर्टलँड सिमेंट म्हणतो किंवा त्यालाच आपण नुसतं पोर्टलँड सिमेंट सुद्धाही म्हणू शकतो. दॅट्स वाय ordinary Portland cement has the following approximate chemical composition. The major constituent is what? The major constituent is lime. Major constituent is lime, which is around 60 to 63% present in cement. Silica 17 to 25% present. Alumina 3 to 8% present in ordinary Portland cement. Now केमिकल कंपोजिशनमध्ये स्मॉल क्वांटिटीजमध्ये काय काय प्रेझेंट असतं? स्मॉल क्वांटिटीजमध्ये आयर्न ऑक्साईड 0.5 to 0.6%, मॅग्नेशिया, दिट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज मॅग्नेशियम ऑक्साईड, or in chemical name it is also called as magnesia, which is around 1.5 to 3%, sulfur trioxide 1 to 2% present, gypsum 1 to 4% present. All these elements are present in small quantity, which increases the hardening and setting time. Now next we see the function of cement. सिमेंटचे फंक्शन काय आहेत आणि मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग कन्स्टिट्युएंट कोणते आहेत? द फंक्शन, फर्स्ट वन फंक्शन इज lime. What is the function of lime? The lime forms nearly 2/3 of the cement. Lime forms nearly 2/3 of the cement. 2/3 क्वांटिटी मध्ये सिमेंट घेतलं म्हणजेच त्याच्यापासून जो काही मटेरियल तयार होतं त्यालाच आपण सिमेंट असे म्हणतो. Therefore sufficient quantity of lime must be used in the raw material for the manufacturing of cement. ज्यावेळेस आपण ती पावडर घेणार आहे आणि त्या पावडरपासून आपण सिमेंट हे तयार करणार आहोत, सिमेंटची स्लरी तयार करणार आहोत, त्यावेळेस ते 2/3 क्वांटिटीमध्येच घ्यावं म्हणजेच त्याच्यामध्ये असणारं लाईम हे 2/3 क्वांटिटीमध्ये घ्यावं आणि त्याच्यापासून सिमेंट हे तयार करावं. दॅट्स वाय इट इज मोर इम्पॉर्टंट इट्स क्वांटिटी ऑफ लाईम. नाव सेकंड पॉईंट, इट्स प्रोपोर्शन हॅज अन इम्पॉर्टंट इफेक्ट. हे जे प्रोपोर्शन आहे 2/3 याचा इम्पॉर्टंट इफेक्ट आहे सिमेंटवरती, ऑन दी सिमेंट. सफिशियंट क्वांटिटी ऑफ लाईम फॉर्म डायकॅल्शियम ट्रायसिलिकेट अँड tricalcium silicate in the manufacturing of cement. If we use in excess, then it can be expand and disintegrate. It can be expand and disintegrate. That's why it can be used in sufficient quantity. Now second type, second composition, silicon dioxide. What about silicon dioxide? The quantity of silica should be enough to form dicalcium silicate and tricalcium silicate in the manufacturing of सिमेंट ची क्वांटिटी आहे सिलिकाची ती खूप महत्त्वाची आहे फॉर द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ डायकॅल्शियम सिलिकेट अँड ट्रायकॅल्शियम सिलिकेट. नेक्स्ट, silica gives strength. What they have provide? Silica provide the strength to the cement. Silica, if we use in excess, it settles very slowly. जी काही सेटलिंग टाइम आहे तो सेटलिंग टाइम जास्त वाढणार आहे जर आपण एक्सेसमध्ये सिलिका यूज केला तर. दॅट्स वाय सिलिका इफ यू यूज इन एक्सेस इट्स सेटलिंग टाइम शुड बी स्लोअर. नाउ नेक्स्ट, ॲल्युमिनियम trioxide. Aluminum trioxide. Aluminum supports to set quickly to the cement. ॲल्युमिनियमचं जर प्रपोर्शन वाढलं तर मटेरियल लवकरात लवकर सेट होतं. मटेरियल लवकरात लवकर सेट होतं म्हणजे सिमेंट लवकर सेट होतं. सेकंड पॉईंट, लोअर द क्लिंकरिंग टाईम. जो क्लिंकरिंग टाईम आहे तो लोअर होतो. ॲल्युमिना इफ यू यूज इन एक्सेस they reduce the strength of the cement. They reduce the strength of the cement. If we use in excess, it settle quickly, but they reduce the strength of the cement. Next, iron oxide. What about iron oxide? Iron oxide gives a color to the cement. Iron oxide provide color to the cement. What we observe the color? Grayish powder is nothing but grayish powder is called as cement. The color grayish provided by iron oxide. Now next, magnesia. It helps in giving a color to the cement. Magnesium if we use in excess the cement should be unsound. Now next, gypsum. All of you know, all of you hear much more time we use gypsum. What is gypsum? Gypsum is nothing but what? Calcium sulfate. Calcium sulfate is called as gypsum. CaSO4 is nothing but what? Calcium sulfate. It is also called as gypsum. At the final stage of manufacturing, gypsum is added to increase the setting of cement. जो काही टाइम आहे सेटिंगचा तो जास्तीत जास्त वाढवण्यात यावा ह्याकरता जिप्सम यूज केलं जातं. नाउ सेकंड टाइप, रॅपिड हार्डनिंग सिमेंट. रॅपिड हार्डनिंग सिमेंट, इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड ॲज ए गेन इन स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ सिमेंट. Gain in strength of cement. This cement contains more percentage of tricalcium silicate and lower percentage of dicalcium silicate. रॅपिड हार्डनिंग सिमेंटमध्ये ट्रायकॅल्शियम सिलिकेट हे जास्त प्रमाणात प्रेझेंट असतं आणि डायकॅल्शियम सिलिकेट ही कमी प्रमाणात प्रेझेंट असतं. जर हायर प्रपोर्शनमध्ये जर ट्रायकॅल्शियम सिलिकेट प्रेझेंट असेल, इट कॅन बी क्विकली हायड्रोलाइज. इट अंडरगोज quicker hydration. They undergoes quickly hydration. The strength at early stage is due to finger grinding, as fineness of cement will expose greater surface area for the action of water. The strength obtained by this cement in 3 days is same obtained by ordinary Portland cement in 7 days. So that's why initial and final setting time are same. Initial and final setting time are same. 30 minutes for initialization and 10 hours for settling. And soundness test by Leach Atelier is 10 millimeter and autoclave is also 0.8%. Greater lime content than OPC. Next topic, point types, extra rapid hardening cement. It is obtained by extra rapid hardening cement is prepared by or it is obtained by intergrinding dicalcium chloride with rapid hardening of cement. Addition of CaCl to calcium chloride should not be excess above 2% by the weight of rapid hardening cement. 2% पेक्षा जास्त आपण कॅल्शियम क्लोराईड हे हार्डनिंग ऑफ सिमेंट किंवा त्याला रॅपिड हार्डनेस यावी याकरता त्याच्यापेक्षा जास्त यूज करू शकत नाही. कॉन्क्रीट मेड बाय युजिंग धिस सिमेंट should be transported, placed, compacted and finished within about 20 minutes. Strength is higher than 25% of rapid hardening cement at 1 or 2 days. Now next point, sulfate resisting cement. Sulfate resisting cement, it is modified form of ordinary Portland cement. हा एक मॉडिफाईड फॉर्म आहे ऑर्डिनरी पोर्टलँड सिमेंटचा, विच इज स्पेशली मॅन्युफॅक्चर टू रेझिस्ट सल्फेट. व्हाईट कॅन बी प्रोड्यूस्ड, व्हाईट कॅन बी मॅन्युफॅक्चर्ड टू resist the interference of sulfate. This cement contains low degree of H of tricalcium aluminate and high percentage of C3S. This cement require longer period of curing. This cement require longer period of curing and it develops strength slowly, but ultimately it is a strong ordinary Portland cement. Next, quick setting cement. What is the meaning of quick setting cement? This cement is manufactured by addition of small percentage of aluminum sulfate which accelerate the setting reaction. जो काय करतो, सेटिंगचा रिॲक्शन वाढवतो. अशा प्रकारच्या मटेरियलला आपण क्विक सेटिंग सिमेंट म्हणतो. जिप्सम सिमेंट इज रिड्युसेस सेट फास्टर दॅन OPC. इनिशियल सेटिंग टाइम इज 5 minutes and final setting time is